in 8th grade. So this is the directions on how to do your homework, and I'm also going to give you an example of how to do it as well. So for this one, you're going to be either determining the name of the element symbol, the mass number, atomic number, the number of protons, the number of electrons, or the number of neutrons in a given element. So it's just going to give you a few different aspects of each element. So then it's up to you to find what that element is on the periodic table based on the information that you are given, and then you need to fill in the rest of that information. So just really quickly, remember how to find the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons. You are going to look at the atomic number for the number of protons. Electrons, since remember these elements are going to be a neutral charge. You can just look at the number of protons that you put down, or if you want to look at the atomic number, it's the exact same thing. And then the number of neutrons, you're going to take the atomic mass minus the atomic number, or if you want to think about it like this, you're going to take the big number minus the small number. So like I said, you're going to need a periodic table. If you just want to look one up on Google, that's fine. If you want to print one, that is fine too. Or if you want to use this periodic table that I provided down here, you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So I know we haven't learned any different aspects of our periodic table yet, but this periodic table could be very helpful for when we do learn different aspects of it. But for the time being, we're just going to use it to just simply find the element that we need. So another thing, please remember to round the atomic mass so that way we get a whole number for the neutrons. And I would probably recommend doing the math or writing down your answers on a piece of paper first and then putting the answers on this page. That's just what I would do, but you do not have to do that. All right, so I am going to do this first line to just give you an idea of what is expected from this worksheet. So I don't have the name of the element, but I do have the element symbol. So I need to look on my periodic table for B. So B is right here. B is boron. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to put boron. And just know you don't need to fill it in a different color. I'm just doing that for example purpose. So I know it's boron, it's B. What is the mass number? Well, it is 10.8. So I want to round up that mass number. So 0.8, I'm going to round up. So that is going to be 11. I'm actually going to change the name of this since we did not call it the mass number. I'm going to put it as atomic mass. So the atomic mass is 11. My atomic number now, it's going to be 5. It's up on the top of it. So 5. My number of protons, I don't even have to go back and look at my periodic table because just having the atomic mass and the atomic number, I can determine the rest of these things here. So protons, remember we're going to look at our atomic number. So that'll be 5. Electrons is 5. Or I could have just looked at the number of electrons to determine my number of protons because it's going to be the same. And then my neutrons, I'm going to take the atomic mass minus the atomic number, and 11 minus 5 is 6. So that's basically what you're going to be doing for the rest of this worksheet. Just know there might be some times where you are not given, like maybe, I think for all of them you're either given the element name or the symbol. So as long as you have that, it should be easy to find on the periodic table. It would be easy to find too if you just wanted to maybe instead of look at the symbol, you just look at the number of electrons or the number of protons because those are the atomic number. So like let's say for this one, if I wanted to look at the number of electrons, well, the atomic number is 39, so I just need to find 39 on here. And there it is. Why yttrium? Alright, so if there's any questions on this worksheet, please go ahead and email me. Make sure you turn it in when you are done, so that way I know you are done, and so that way I don't have to chase you down and turn it in. And if you have any questions, like I just said, email me, or we can talk about it in our scheduled hangouts for this week. All right, I hope you all do well with this. Bye.